If you're looking for a perfect fitting set of front and rear mud flaps for that 2015 and newer F-150 with the benefit of a no-drill installation, well then the Weathertechs that we have here should definitely be at the top of your short list. Now the Weathertechs will combine 4 OE style plastic flares altogether for right around $90, while the install itself will be extremely painless, so figure strong 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, maybe an hour of your time to complete from start to finish, but if you guys hang with me for a bit, we'll walk you through that job later in the video. So the benefit of having a mud flap installed on your F-150 is pretty simple, right? Keep things a bit cleaner by preventing that dirt, mud, rocks, snow, whatever from flinging down the side or rear of your truck. Now the only downside of a mud flap, I would say, is that they're not always the best looking modification. Typically they're really big, maybe look out of place. That's not the case here. Weathertech has found a way to make them very low profile, but still provide a ton of functionality. Now I'm sure most truck owners out there are familiar with that Weathertech name, especially when it comes to floor mats. However, their mud flaps that we have here are also extremely popular on the site, as the many 5-star reviews tend to indicate. And if you're not quite sure, read up on some of those while you're there. Check out the customer submitted images. It's always a good way to get a better idea of what to expect from your fellow F-150 owners. Now, as far as your build is concerned, well, what you're gonna be looking at here is called thermoplastic resin construction. And basically that just means very thick, very durable plastic that is, by the way, backed by a limited lifetime warranty from WeatherTech. Now that material, at least in the visible areas, has been given kind of a textured black finish that gives off a very OE or Ford-like appearance once everything's been installed. Now one big thing to point out here, guys, is that there are going to be 2 different options available currently on the product page. One for trucks with the factory flares and one without. Now most of your more, I would say, premium trucks above a Lariat, King Ranch, Platinum, and so on are going to have that factory fender treatment, and most of your XLs, XLTs, and so on will not. But if you're not entirely sure, feel free to reach out to our customer support team, shoot them an email or pic at support@AmericanTrucks.com, and of course those guys would be happy to help you out. But now we want to get into that installation as promised, and again, no drilling, no permanent modification needed whatsoever. One of the big, I would say, highlights of this particular product. But to give you a better idea of how the fronts and rears will go on your F-150, check out our detailed breakdown right now.
Tools used for this install are a 1/4 inch ratchet, 11mm socket, 10mm socket, 5.5mm socket, provided Allen key, a clip removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, a squeegee, and some soapy water. So the first step of this install is going to be to remove this small plastic trim piece to the bottom side of the fender. In order to get better access, I turned my steering wheel all the way to the left to push the tire into the fender to give me better access. I'm going to use a 1/4 inch ratchet and a 5.5mm socket to remove these 2 screws, and then I'm going to remove the plastic clip down here at the bottom with a trim removal tool. And now I can use my trim tool to push out the plastic rivet. So this kit provides you with some protective vinyl pieces that are supposed to go down here at the bottom of the fender to protect the fender and the paint from where the mud flap wraps around this contour. Since our vehicle already has some vinyl decals installed, we're just going to set these aside. But if you want to install these, all you'll need is a little bit of soapy water and a squeegee. And now I'm going to use a 10mm socket to remove one of the fender bolts that's going to hold on our mud flap when we go to install it. Now we're ready to throw the new mud flap into place. What I'm going to do is line up our body lines and bolt holes, and then I'm going to use the provided Allen key while applying some pressure to the mud flap to turn the locking tab to hold it to the fender. Now we can reinstall our previously removed hardware to hold our mud flap in place. So just like up in the front, there's a couple of push clips that need to be removed to put this mud flap into place. I'm going to use a clip removal tool, pop the 2 rivets out of place, and then put my new mud flap in. So once again, just like the front, I'm going to line up all my alignment holes on the mud flap with the body. I'm going to use the locking tab here to hold this thing on, and then I'm going to use the supplied nuts and bolts to fasten it all to the vehicle. Finally, I'm going to secure the mud flap with the supplied hardware. Screw goes in the front, nut and washer go in the back. And that's going to wrap up this review and install of the WeatherTech front and rear no drill mud flaps. Thanks for watching, and for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.